Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and welcome back to Unique Tuesdays. So, if you've never been to our Unique Tuesdays, what we do is we make one item. It's different every week, and we sell it for that one day, and then it's gone. Okay, and that's our Unique Tuesdays. So, this week we have something unique, and it's a case for your tablet, and very simple. So whether you have a Samsung tablet or an iPad, you can create a very individualistic look because these tops are available in like 7 or 8 leather colors, and then you can also make this a different color too, so you can mix and match and do it like a Crayola if you want. So let me tell you about it. This I made for an iPad, and basically it measures about 8 wide and 11 1/4. It's about 1/4 of an inch thick. It's leather lined. You see that strip of blue lining down there? It goes all the way around. Just a simple snap to get it open. This it makes it easy for you to get your tablet in and out. And then you just reach in there, and there it is. There's your tablet. There's the lining on the inside. If you can see that blue in there, I don't know. But you can have that in any color. The nice thing about this is that it's not floppy leather. It's got some padding to it. This is 2 pieces of leather. So in addition to covering your case up and being soft inside, so this just glides in and out nicely but isn't slippery, it also adds some additional protection to your tablet. Like that, because there's 2 pieces of leather laminated together in there. And that's it for Unique Tuesdays. This is our iPad or tablet cover. If you have a cover or if you have a tablet that's not the same size as the iPad, we will make it to size for you. We'll ask you for the dimensions on the product page. Just put them in there or tell us what tablet you have and we'll make it for you. All right, that's it. And we'll see you next week on Unique Tuesdays. Bye.